Hello everybody, this is Sascha Haseloff here from the Icona Academy in Berlin, and here I have Lona. Lona is my wonderful model for today, and on her I want to share with you a very nice curling technique. Have fun and take a look. To create the curls, I'm going to use Twist Around the Curl Styling Spray for long-lasting, hold, flexible curls, and it has a heat protection. To save the curls for humidity and give a perfect hold, I'm going to use Big Finish the Volumizing Hairspray. Now I'm finished with my wonderful model Luna. We have done a lot of curls and I'm very happy about the result. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. See you then. Bye bye.